Hello! Welcome back to Retro Bunker channel. Today we're gonna look at an internal Amiga memory. Take out the battery, remove the shielding, and make some repairs maybe. So we will see. So let's go down to the bench. An extra memory for the Amiga 500. We will begin to remove the shielding. So let's begin. So I put on a bigger tip on this one to transfer some heat into this plating. I will use my desoldering gun. I will try to pry the lower part from the upper part. Put some heating on the, see, right away, and do the same on the other side. I hope you can see. So and we got one last here. Do the same, put the heating iron on this one. So it pops loose. Not much pressure you need to separate them. Then you need to go through the board. On this one it's stuck. So now the shielding is gone, and if you see here, the battery has exploded. So we will see if this memory will be working in the future. This part you don't need anymore. It's only if you're a true retro guy you can spare them. If anyone wants them, you can have them from me for free. I will not use them. I will now desolder the battery. I can zoom in a little bit, and the battery is over here, so it's those two to begin with. So I put some extra solder on these two. And used the desoldering, the moo gun. Sound like a cow. So, and the other side over here. Sorry. I need to put some more solder on that one. So I can take maybe it was a stubborn one. Oh, I need to put some more solder. I think I desoldered the wrong pin. That's okay too, sometimes do mistakes. So it's free and it looks very nasty. We go to solder back the mistake I did. I will now take some to see if it can go even closer. Oh. Over here and here, and some over here. I got some of the battery acid, but it seems to have not spread anywhere else. We will put some vinegar on this one. And if you see it bubbles, the vinegar is eating up or neutralizing the battery acid. So we will put this on and let it be for a while. I will only put it on the places they're needed to be, not the whole card, because vinegar is not good to be on electronics. So I need to clean it with some isopropanol alcohol. I will be back when it stopped working. Now I will remove the vinegar. and take some isopropanol, put it on, so. A bit much, but that's okay. You can take a brush, it removes the dust also. Isopropanol, it's no worry to put on electronics as long as it's dried up and not put in directly when it's wet. So I will take some heat from a hot air station and dry it off a little bit. 100 degrees, it's enough. We will measure. So we will measure now, so we see that that was the part I was worried about, that it had the battery acid had eaten up the, but it seems to work now. I hope my head wasn't in the way. So the battery acid didn't eat up the card. I will now work here with fiber brush pencil. Take some metal to remove the corrosion. It looks much better now. we will put on some mask. This is a cheap mask, I don't know, but it works. You can use most any kind of nail polish if you're in need. I cleaned it off with the IPA. I will put some here, the mask, to protect the surface so it doesn't get any more corrosion. So ultraviolet color. I will put it on and wait for a while. I will be back when it's done. It's dry now. We can zoom in and check. Here's the little repair. It's dry and hardened. No further notice. I will take a working Amiga 500 and just see if it will work. So here we got a working Amiga 500. I already took out to put in the connectors, the power, the video, and we will turn it on. Let's see, so it works. Yes, it seems to work, but I haven't changed the display on the TV. Let's show you. And there's the picture. So it works. The machine works. So we turn it off and we will put in the extra memory. So snaps in. Put on the lid. And now we will see if it works. Yes, we got picture on the screen again. sorry about that. I would just want to prove that it works like it should. So the power connector is a little bit wiggy. We have a workbench 1.3. See if the floppy works too. It's a big loading time, but it's a very easy way to see if we got some. See, it's loading. Sorry about the glare. I will come back when it's fully loaded. Sorry. See if I can just go around the glare. Sorry, there. 887 K's free memory. Some was eaten up by the workbench when it started. So that memory seems to be fixed. it's working, no problems with the upstart, and I will do some more extensive checking of the memory in the future, but not in this video. Okay, so here it is. It's working, the floppy working too. The memory will stay in this machine. It's my go-to Amiga 500. I got many of them now. I need to go through, so I got this one laying on the bench, an Amiga 500 Plus. I will check it. It got black screen, so maybe that will be in the next video. Some repair and yes. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye.